In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication with GitHub. Adding an extra layer of security to your account is essential for protecting your code and personal information. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile avatar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Password and Authentication. This is where you can manage your GitHub login and security settings. On the Password and Authentication page, find the two-factor authentication section and click on the option to enable it. GitHub will provide different authentication methods. The recommended option is to use an Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. If you choose an Authenticator app, GitHub will display a QR code. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. Your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the verification field on GitHub and click Continue. Depending on the options available to your account, you may also be able to set up SMS authentication. Select the SMS option and follow the verification steps. If prompted, complete GitHub's verification challenge. Then, enter your phone number, including your country code, and click Send Authentication Code. Check your phone for the verification code, enter it into the provided field, and click Continue. GitHub will complete the setup, and your account will now require an additional verification step when you sign in. Make sure you also save any recovery codes GitHub provides. These can help you regain access to your account if you lose access to your authentication method. And that's it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication for your GitHub account and added an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.